What's that, Jez? Where is he? What are they? What are they? There.
There were millions of wolves roaming the continents of the northern hemisphere. And whether they lived in the Arctic or the desert, they lived in packs.
Where is it? Who's that?
Our ancestors would have feared and admired the wolf's speed, stamina, and superior senses.
Oh no.